In this tutorial, you're going to be learning how to make this multicolor cube. Hi, I'm your host 5-Minute Tutorials, and today in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make this multicolor cube in Blender. So okay, let's start. So let's press new, general, and I'm not going to save this. So first you have to go to your shading, and then over here, as you can see, welcome to the shading. You can press the middle mouse to move, scroll to like zoom in and zoom out. So let's press shift A, okay, shift A to bring up this, and then press search, and then you can search here. So a color ramp. So color ramp, and place it over here and press this, and then mix it up with this. So we are basically done. So now what I'm gonna do is go to the corner of here, and you can see this like icon. So just press it. Okay, wait. Oops. Okay, let me just try again. Okay, if this fails, let's just try again. Okay, so just go here, shading, and then up. Okay, there we go, up. So go to the timeline editor, and then make shift A to search color ramp, and then go to the color, mix it up, and there we go. So now you can just right click here, and then just press right click and press insert keyframe. So now you can scroll up here and then change this to 1000. So if we can see, as you can see now, the color will slowly but surely turn white. So let's just wait for it. Oh wait, there's I found the reason. So just turn it, just press the recording. You have to press the recording. Okay, now there we go. Now you can see that it has now recorded the whole thing. So just you can go out of this now, and now you can add as much color as you like. So I'm just gonna add random colors. So random colors everywhere. Yeah, who doesn't like random colors? I know, right? So let me just add another set of colors. As much you can do, as much as you like. There's like no limit to how much you can't do, but don't overdo it. I'm just saying, don't overdo it, cause like it could get really messy. Okay, so yeah, so let me just add more color. Now if I play this, so now you can see the colors are changing. So let me just go to the layouts, and then go to here, and then as you can see, it's now working. Another thing you can do is just make it a bit quicker. If you want to make it quicker, just do this, and then you can scroll it here. Okay, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.